Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be creating my summer candle rings. Hopefully you would have seen my winter Christmas ones, which are pictured here. My spring ones, which are pictured here. So now it's time to make some for summer. So these are the rattan wreaths that are stocked in Poundland during Christmas time. I don't know if you're going to find them in your Poundland. You could possibly ask one of the workers to go out the back and check to see if they got any of their Christmas stock out there. But you might be lucky. But if they don't have them, when they come out again at Christmas, grab some up and then you'll be able to recreate these. I'm going to be using ferns, all artificial flowers obviously, and different forms of orchids. So I've got some orchids that I want to use here. But the first thing I want to put on is my fern. So I'm going to cut my fern down because obviously I don't need it to be this long. I'm going to hot glue these on kind of at the top and at the side here because I don't want too much. Should I? See, I haven't done one of these before I've come to you crafters, so I'm thinking maybe I should add a flowers, or add the flowers first then the leaves. Okay, let's have a go. You know what? You'll probably think I'm mad crafters, but I'm actually recording this in January. But I like to get videos in the can because you never know. As I can testify by last year, you never know what's going to happen in your life. These yellow ones are beautiful. These are actually from Poundland. I got these in 2019. I don't know if they're going to have them now, but you never know. So I'm just going to have a look at it, see if I need to add anything else. I think I need more green. So I'm going to add some more fern tips. Crafters, I have these which are part of some of the fern picks that I have, and I think these would make a really interesting focal point, just popping out of the candle ring. Okay crafters, there we go. So there is my summer ones done. So I think I'll have to create a playlist. So by the time you see this video, I've probably already created the playlist, because I made some for Christmas 2019, some for spring 2020. This is for summer 2020, and I will probably do some for autumn 2020 as well. But thank you very much for joining me today, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.